Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that has the potential to transform not just our living spaces, but our entire lives. The power of minimalism. Minimalism is more than just a design aesthetic. It's a lifestyle that can lead to a richer, more fulfilling life. So, what exactly is the power of minimalism, and how can it bring more meaning to our everyday experiences? Let's find out. Embracing minimalism is about intentionally focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the excess that doesn't add value to our lives. This process can bring about numerous benefits. Increased clarity and focus. Reduced stress and anxiety. More time for meaningful experiences. Improved financial well-being. So, how do we start living with less? It begins with decluttering our physical and mental spaces. Letting go of possessions that no longer serve a purpose allows us to make room for what truly matters. Consider adopting the minimalist mantra. Does this add value to my life? If not, it might be time to part ways with it. Minimalism also encourages us to be more mindful consumers. Instead of chasing after the latest trends, we can focus on acquiring things that genuinely enhance our lives. Quality over quantity becomes the guiding principle. One of the core tenets of minimalism is valuing experiences over possessions. The memories we create and the relationships we build are far more enriching than any material possession. As we wrap up our exploration of the power of minimalism, remember that it's not about deprivation, but rather a conscious choice to focus on what truly brings joy and meaning to our lives. By living with less, we open the door to a richer, more intentional existence. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more content on intentional living and personal development. Until next time, live with purpose, and embrace the power of minimalism.